Hi, I'm Stephen Keltz, a lecturer in Princeton's University Center for Human Values. I'm a political theorist by training, looking at the history and especially the ethics of markets, corporations, and capitalism. After a long time researching and teaching that topic, I started to consult with corporations that were interested in sort of squaring the circle between their market value and their ethical values. I worked particularly with tech companies that wanted to educate their engineers on how to think about ethics during the product design process. And that sort of interdisciplinary and applied thinking is really what GradFUTURES is all about. This Ethics of AI cohort is going to allow you to see how your research, whatever your field might be, might influence public debates over artificial intelligence, or allow you to join a company that's promoting the ethical use of machine learning, or use any of that really to inform your own academic research, studying the design, the use, or the influence of AI. During our time together, we'll do a number of things. We'll break down academic debates over ethics, my field, but we'll also hear from industry leaders who are applying ethics right now to create better tech companies. And we're going to hear as well from scholars who are studying the design of ethical algorithms. And those latter two are really the angles from which my co-leaders come at the ethics of AI. So meet Stevie Bergman and Yatin Monaker.
Hi there, I'm Stevie Bergman. I'm a research scientist in the field of responsible and ethical AI, currently on the responsible AI team at Facebook, and a graduate alum from Princeton, in fact. I finished my PhD in physics in late 2019 and took this seminar in the spring of 2019 during one of the first iterations. My primary interests in the field of AI ethics are around the global use of technology and how it interplays with human rights and ethics. And how can tech be built responsibly and employed to support and expand the rights of marginalized and vulnerable populations across the world? A lot of these topics are fairly complex, even questions like what does fairness even really mean? And what can it mean on a global stage? I'm really looking forward to talking with you about this and other topics in the AI ethics seminar.
Hi, I'm Yatin Monaker, a graduate alum of the class of 2021 and an assistant professor at the University of Michigan. My research deals with the use of formal methods or techniques based on rigorous mathematical analysis to conduct thorough verification of computing systems. When I attended the Ethics of AI learning cohort in 2019, it enabled me to connect with individuals who I otherwise wouldn't have crossed paths with. And it exposed me to new ways of thinking about AI ethics and its potential impacts on society. The cohort also impacted the research agenda I intend to pursue as faculty, specifically on researching whether it's possible to use formal methods to verify things like ethical AI behavior. I've stayed involved with later iterations of the cohort, and I look forward to helping attendees learn more about the field of AI ethics. I hope you sign up for the cohort.